Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Um, my name is Ivy Wakat. I'm 25 years old and I live in Nueva Vizcaya. I am a college undergraduate in Bachelor of Science in Public Administration. I am a single mother of two kids aged 10 years old and 7 years old. I have two brothers and I have one sister. And I am the third child of the family, ma'am.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you. Okay? So, do you have passport?
Yes, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
June 6th, 1999, ma'am.
June 6 or June
Oh,
29?
9. Sorry,
Sorry?
ma'am. June 29, ma'am.
June 29, 1999.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
150, ma'am, and then my weight is 59.
What is your religion?
Born again Christian, ma'am.
You are a single mother, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So who will going to take care of your kids once you come to work here in Malaysia, knowing that this is your first time working abroad?
My parents, ma'am.
How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
53 and 59, and they are both farming, ma'am.
So in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2022 to 2024 for 2 years. In which
Yes, ma'am.
place in the Philippines?
In Lagawe, Ifugao, ma'am.
Can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in Ifugao?
My main responsibility there is the safety of the kids. I I put them to school and I get them at around 5 p.m. and then I also cook, I clean the house and I wash the clothes. I did not laundry, I did not iron, ma'am.
How old are those children that you take care?
7 and 4, ma'am. They are both boys.
7 and 4 years old. But are you aware that here in Malaysia, you need to do iron, ah? You need to be flexible. You need to be multitasking.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to be flexible, as I have mentioned, because there is no such a thing that you will just do house chores only. If there is elderly or children inside the house, you need to assist them also. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, I'm willing, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
I'm willing to learn, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Small dog only, ma'am. No big.
Small dog. So are you okay, yes or no?
I'm okay, ma'am.
Okay. Can you speak Malay or Mandarin?
No, ma'am.
You will going to sign a 2 years contract. It's not 2 days, it's not 2 weeks, it's not 2 months, and definitely it's not 1 year. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Yes. So usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead, you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finished your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you're entitled to have a rest once a week, but if you will going to have some rest, you will going to stay only inside the employer's house. You're not allowed to go out on your rest day. But if you will work, of course, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure that you are okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, because in our initial interview, I just wanted to be specific. I wanted to make it clear, clarify that you are okay with our terms and conditions because we don't want to have such a problem later once you come to work here in Malaysia. We don't want that you will going to demand us about all these things, but because in our initial interview, we already inform you all these things, yeah?
Yes,
And you
ma'am.
also agree about it. But if you disagree all our terms and conditions is okay. Don't worry, we don't force people to come here. Better stay in the Philippines. Just don't give us trouble or headache. You were the one who wanted to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
I understand, ma'am.
So this is your first time working abroad and you will be working quite far away from your family. How will you gonna handle your homesickness later?
I will always focus on my work, and I will always remind myself that I need this job to provide for my children, ma'am.
Okay. So always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work here abroad or here in Malaysia because you wanted to sustain your family's needs as you are a single parent right now. So you wanted what is the better future for your children, right? So don't compare the Philippines here in Malaysia. Okay? Philippines, we can do whatever we want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to respect the employer, follow the rules and regulations. You are the one who will working inside the premises for 2 years. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I give you a scenario. What will you do if your employer is keep on following you? What will you do? Like for example, you clean the house, wherever you go, which place you were going to clean, your employer is keep on following you. What will you do?
I will continue my work and always smile at my employer, ma'am.
Are you sure that you will going to smile?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
will not feel irritated.
No, ma'am.
No, okay. So, Ivy, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you so
you.
much and have a good day.